drinking something or whatever. I kind of ate before I left the house. Ain't food good?
I don't know. I'm gonna go get a table or something.
All right, you find out.
All right.
Something.
You got beer pong in here. Nice and easy bar, DC, Congress Street, Northeast, in the cut. I mean, it is in the cut. The cut. Yep.
What it is. And then, sorry, are you sure? Yes, sir.
Yeah, this one's going to 24.
I knew they were gonna mess my order up. I said lettuce, ketchup, mayo. I don't know what this mess is. I gotta scrape it off. Yeah. And I said no cheese. There's no cheese on it. All right, let's roll. Closing it down. Where your bike at? Oh shit! You know you blocked it. You know you from my angle you blocked it. God, we closed it down. Went from like 30 bikes to nothing.
Nothing.
I like Parker Garage.
Sorry, I'm just looking.
Oh no, you good? You good? You good?
You good? You good?
We're looking at the. We're looking at the. What do you call it? I'm sorry. Let me stop my camera.